Hello and welcome to the WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com YouTube channel. Today we have got a CI Cusona 594. This is built on the Fiat Ducato 2-litre JTD engine. As we can see, it's got the Omnister awning, security armbar, reversing sensors, twin bike rack. This is in very good condition for its age. It is a 2007 registered, but it is a 2006 model. Four berth motorhome, but it does have two 3-point seats in the driver and passenger seat, plus 2 lap belts in the rear. As you can see, this is a coach built with the overcab bed. Inside we have the Fiat Ducato 2.0 JTD cab with radio, CD player, 5-speed gearbox and alarm system. This does also have reversing sensors. Above the cab itself we have a nice big double bed. In terms of some of the overcab beds, this is quite a large one. Does sleep 4 this motorhome. And taking a step back and seeing the lounge, we have 2 bench seats. These I'd say are around 6 foot in length, and you could quite easily use them as 2 single beds. This has also been fitted with lap belts on both sides. Now these two do join together, and you can just imagine the size of the double bed that it makes. In the rear itself we have the fridge, grill, sink and 3 hob burner, and there is storage cupboards just above. In the rear corner we have a cassette toilet, sink and separate shower unit. And then to finish off, we have a dramatic fireplace with a nice long wardrobe above. This is a 4-berth motorhome. It does have 2 seat belts as the driver and passenger, plus the 2 lap belts in the rear. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest hints, tips and tricks, plus a lot of motorhome reviews coming on weekly. And if you have any more questions on this motorhome, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237 or by visiting WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com.